How do you achieve a perfect 45-degree bevel cut on a 230mm solid steel bar? Powered by Simek's Italian bevel cutting technology, this customized circular saw machine delivers exceptional cutting stability and precision. The advanced 45 cutting process ensures precision and stable cutting performances, a mirror-like surface finish. Cutting large diameter bars or difficult materials, let Simek develop the right solution for your application.